and a view into Huck's World, and today we got some freebies for you to check out in the Gear Manager store on the home page. That's free for the taking for a limited time only, so make sure you dash over there right after the video and download both watch faces. Now the name of the watch face that we're going to review is called JMO Blue Frontier Hud. Now they have a red version of this, right? Looks exactly the same, so we're not going to review both. We're just going to review this blue one because the blue is my favorite color, but you can go ahead and download the red one as well. And when you feel like wearing blue, you can wear blue. When you want to wear red, you can wear red, but they both look nice, okay? So with that being said, let's check the watch face out. Now in always on mode, I really like the look of this. It's going to be dimmed down. It's going to have a slightly different look, but it's going to give you all the information that you want in the AOD mode. When the watch face is on, as you can see, it is fully animated. I like the look of this. I like the style. In the center, you're going to get your stack time. If you look over to your left, you're going to get your day, your date, your month. You're also going to get calories burned. You look to the right, you're going to get your step count as well, your heart rate information, and you're going to get animated seconds down at the bottom. Not a bad look. Now, you don't have no true customization or interactiveness to it, but what you can do, double tap and it'll stop it all, give you a different look within the watch face so far as the theme is concerned. So it's not a bad look at all, and if you like the animation, there you go, voila. Kind of changes the theme a little bit. Not a bad look at all, but at the end of the day, remember, it's all about you. What do you think about this watch face? Make sure you hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your thoughts. All right, you all, that's going to be it for the freebie for today. Listen, hit the like button on the way out. If you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.